We are thoroughly testing out the realme Narzo 50i, all aspects of its build quality. First, the genuine build quality of the 50i. Then, in the name of science, watch how to make a phone look weak like a twig, even though it's not. After a long time, no free case inside the box to bring down the cost of production. The mint green variant looks pretty good and decent for an ultra budget device. Weighing in at a not so heavy 195 grams, may feel slightly heavy though not an issue. And the 50i at this price range feels strong like a brick in my usual trial bend. Starting off with the real genuine tests, this time with the water damage test. Realme claims that the Narzo 50i has a splash resistant design, though there is no official IP certified English rating like IP53 splash resistance found these days on many Xiaomi budget flagships and mid-ranges. Also, it's very important to note that the 50i should not, under any circumstance, be submerged underwater since it's not IP68. It will suffer permanent damage. Just enjoy those misleading videos, but don't take it seriously. In the oleophobic round, it becomes clear that the tempered glass production on the 50i has a half-hearted layer of oleophobic coating, slightly present but also not completely absent. The water isn't forming a pool, but neither is it sticking to the surface. I guess something is better than nothing at all, which Realme mostly does as a cost-cutting measure, except in the X series. Though the good thing at this stage is that the 50i has not yet started to show any signs of initial liquid damage in the form of low distortion audio issues, hence we could proceed to the light splashing round. Also the fact that BBK devices, inclusive of Realme and Narzo, have a great track record of liquid resistance on the channel. There are some devices which cannot even survive some light splashes and can suffer from permanent blank screen issues due to damage of the motherboard. So it's always a safe idea to protect your non-IP rated devices as much as possible away from water. Devices have also gone through temporary stuff like camera lens fogging, headphone icon issue, screen flicker, or temporary black screens. Or it may suffer from serious display damage from heavy drenching due to water seepage from the different ports to the internal parts. The Realme 50i, even at this advanced stage, seems to be resisting water like an IP53 champ, with no issues as mentioned above. There is no rubber sealant on the SIM tray, yet the 50i is managing to hold its ground against water with no audio issues as yet. Everything seems to be fine with the Realme 50i after all this liquid abuse and even a few seconds underwater. Looks like no internal damages and no audio issues. But after about 3 hours, this happens. The Narzo 50i is one of them rare Realme devices, if not the first, to suffer display damage despite the claim of splash resistance. On to the scratch test. Apart from the screen damage, the vibration motor on the 50i has somehow been activated due to the water damage and does not want to stop for now, vibrating as long as the phone is on. In the past, most BBK devices haven't done that great in the scratch test against the blade and have mostly failed except in the X series devices. This is because of the absence of genuine corning glass for cost cutting. Another common factor in those fails have been the lack of oleophobic coating, and as proved in the water test, there is some oleophobic on it, so the 50i does have a chance of not failing against the blade. Other devices with high quality glass or any sort of corning glass protection have mostly passed the scratch test. The Realme 50i almost had a rare and perfect scratch test, if not for the light scratch marks. To manage the video length, we are not doing pocket drops, but going only with 4 high drops. First high drop, bottom side facing down. No camera lens shatter or any internal or external damages to the plastic body. Next, the last finale drop you've been waiting for. Display side down. Will the 50i fail like other devices this season? Team Narzo seems to have done a great job of designing a drop-friendly design with the 50i passing the drop test. Though what happens to glass on rough cement surface, we'll prove that to you in a short while from now. Next, on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, the best indicator of the structural build quality of devices. Is the realme Narzo 50i actually as strong as it seemed during the trial bend? We shall see. Hardly any flex, only a slight bit of bend degree, but the 50i feels as solid as a rock at this stage. Again some bend degree from the backside pressure, and a slight hiccup of the screen freezing on us. The realme Narzo 50i has turned out to be one of the strongest contenders of this year for the best structural build in a budget smartphone, easily passing the bend tests, and we can easily challenge anyone who disagrees. So getting back to the title of the video, how do you break such an awesomely built strong device and make it look as if it's weak as a biscuit? Let's start off with pre-damaging it externally from the outside. It should take about a couple of drops to shatter glass if dropped on a rough surface. Great job by the 50i. It actually manages to avoid shatter with just a small permanent mark at the right. Dropping it once again. This time, the glass protection shatters into a million pieces, as expected and normal to happen with glass. Next, moving on to the plastic stress test to play with plastic. But mind you, just pre-damaging the outside of the phone, including glass breakage and shatter, may not make any difference on the overall structural build quality, especially if the mid-frame is solid like in the 50i. Some internal pre-damage is also required. Some tape is applied on the screen for the sharp glass splinters, saving a bend tester from medical emergency. This is how you snap a strong solid phone and make it look weak like a biscuit.